we consider it as the #1 industrial compressor, and the fact that all of our customers would agree that it is the #1 industrial compressor is the fact that it is quite a robust machine. It comes out of obviously one of our factories, all with the ISO 9001 quality standards. We make sure that everything is, of the highest quality. The product is designed basically for maximum uptime, basically for reliability. That's really the crux of this particular product that we offer to the market, is basically uptime. The fact that it'll basically, if you put electricity into it, it's going to make compressed air, and it's going to do it in a reliable manner.